We initially met Bridges when they reached out to us. They were looking to expand their investor base outside of the UK, and they identified 4 or 5 key investors in the US that share their values. One of the great things about the investment in the vinyl factory is it really encompasses so many different aspects of what makes Bridges a great investor. They're able to be catalytic in the regeneration of an entire area in the western part of London. They're providing affordable housing and doing it all with a very strong emphasis on sustainability in the property.
The old vinyl factory is a really important investment for Bridges. We're delivering relatively low-cost accommodation in a deep needs-driven market, which is affordable for a fairly significant proportion of the population.
It's the old EMI record factory. It's where the gramophone was invented. It's where the CAT scanner was invented. It's where the radar was invented. All the Beatles records are printed here. It was a real centre for all of the new exciting technologies of the time.
3 years ago, this was an 18-acre derelict site, and through our hard work and that of Hub over the last 3 years, we've been able to procure a scheme delivering 243 housing units for Londoners at levels which are affordable, but at the same time generating very attractive profits for our investors.
Bridges are a really great partner for Hub, and we work really, really well together to ensure that all of our schemes push the boundaries of what's achievable on an environmental level.
We're trying to create buildings that are positive for the environment, positive for society, and add value in terms of the health and well-being for their occupants, but also minimize any impact to the environment.
We're very proud to be partnering with Bridges because they are one of the leading socially responsible investment firms in the world. And we can learn so much from them while at the same time providing great returns for the beneficiaries and also having a huge impact on society.